I hope you are enjoying the experience with Scholars Learning classes. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy. In this video, we will be studying about the commercial banks, the other topic from your money and banking unit, that is unit number 6. So what are commercial banks? Let me give you an example that your PNB, Punjab National Bank, your State Bank of India, your Axis Bank, your HDFC Bank, your Oriental Bank, Yes Bank. All these are your commercial banks where the general public go and deposit the amount and withdraw the amount or take the loans. Then these banks are called the commercial banks. These banks are for the general public, for the benefit of general public. These provide services to the public. Now, let us, according to the Indian Banking Companies Act, banking company is one which transacts the business of banking which means the accepting bracket for the purpose of lending or investment of deposit of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise. When I told you about the term deposits, so these are the fixed deposit. When your tenure or your deposits expires, then only you get the money back. So this is on demand or otherwise. And withdrawal by check, draft, order or otherwise, or from some other way. Now see, if it comes define commercial bank in your CBSE board exams, then you have to cram this definition and write it in your CBSE board exams. Because if you get a question regarding define, which means explain according to some law or explain the exact definition which is given by some scientist, some economist, some XYZ, okay? And that is always in the inverted commas. And when you define any, like if you have to define commercial banks, then define according to some act, inverted commas, and the words in the particular definition should be equal and same which is written here, right? See, this is the definition which is written in your Companies Act, your Banking Companies Act. So you cannot change that definition from the act, because this definition is made considering every aspect in mind regarding the commercial banks. So banking company is one which transacts the business of banking, which means the accepting bracket for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the public repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, draft, or this is not this is or otherwise. So basically what commercial bank do, commercial bank accepts the deposits, right, and give or lend money to borrowers through loans. So this is the main function of the commercial bank. These are why the commercial banks are being made, for the benefit of the people in the economy. So they create credit, they do the credit creation. We will be learning about credit creation in detail in this unit, as this is the most important question that could come in your CBSE board exam. Explain how the commercial banks do credit creations, or what is the credit multiplier. If it comes explain what are commercial banks, then you can simply explain by giving your own definition or writing explaining your own. If it comes define commercial bank, then write the definition according to the act. But if it comes simply what are commercial banks or explain commercial banks, then you can give this simple definition, that is, commercial bank is the financial institution that accepts deposits from the public and gives loans for the purpose of consumption or investment. Besides this, what commercial bank do? Commercial banks these days perform various functions such as credit creation. They give loans and create credit. Transfer of funds. You want to transfer your money from your account to someone else's account, you can do. They give you an offer of net banking, they give you an offer of mobile banking. Then agency jobs means bank will accept money on behalf of you from the other party. Suppose there is XYZ company, those who have to pay you the salary. So bank what will do, will accept money from those the company, and the bank will deposit the amount into your account. So in this way they perform as an agency function. And general services. There are many other services that banks give you, like locker services, then your interest services, and the many schemes they offer you, like retirement schemes, loan repayment schemes. So these are the various functions that the commercial bank perform. I hope you have completely understood what are the, and you can give the examples as well I gave you, right? So you have, I hope you have understood what are your commercial banks. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.